Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp Business in two different phones. It will be really simple and easy. First of all, go ahead and open your WhatsApp Business. So when you are here, you have to tap on these three dots in the top right corner and you will see this option here, Link Devices. Just simply tap on it and then tap on this link device. Just put your password or your fingerprint, then it's going to ask for your QR code. Now this only works when you want to connect a laptop or PC to your WhatsApp Business. But if you want to use another phone, you can go ahead and tap on link with phone number instead. But if you want to connect it to the laptop, then it's simple. Just go ahead and press OK and then go to web.whatsapp.com on your PC and then scan the code that it's going to give you. And that's pretty much it. That's how to use WhatsApp Business in two phones. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.